2008 Yamaha Nytro XTX. It's a 144 with an 1 3/4 track on it. Got the heavy duty front bumper, box float shocks, got the +3 A-arms. I think it's +3. See, it's got an RTX hood on it, which has been changed at one point. It's the 1049cc 3-cylinder 4-stroke fuel injected electric start and reverse. It's got aftermarket boards on it, an LED tail light, aftermarket bumper that's been patched up. Somebody welded it, broke out. Tunnel has a little wave there from having the boards on right after the back there. Track looks like new. Actually in quite nice shape. Got a couple scuffs. There's somebody's had something mounted here. There's a few holes. It's got 134 miles. Got tunnel dump exhaust on it. Somebody's put some new bolts on here for tying something down on the back. A couple scuffs on the decal. Somebody's put Frogskin over